Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Spam or luncheon meat fried rice. So let's start cooking. Now we are going to pan fry our luncheon meat first. Heat up a pan, add in a little bit of oil. We need to have a beautiful crust on the luncheon meat so that it will be more fragrant. Color equals to flavor. Add in your luncheon meat. I have with me over here 220 grams of luncheon meat, cut into small cubes like this. Just put everything in. Spread them out. I'm using medium heat over here. You can do the same. This is a dish that my grandmother always liked to do. Easy, fast, and super delicious. Don't move the luncheon meat around. Let them brown on one side first. I will show you how they look like in a while. Now let's check the luncheon meat to make sure that they are brown. Yes, very nicely done. We just toss them to the other side. Try to use your spatula and move them to the sides that are not brown. You'll try to brown as many sides as possible. If you have time, of course, you can try to brown every single side. If not, just 2 or 3 sides will be fine. Instead of pan frying, you can also brown it using your air fryer if you want to. Once they are done, I'll show you how they look like. Once most of the sides have browned, we'll just remove them from the heat. Keep the oil, but we'll just remove the luncheon meat. Using the same pan, without washing it, we'll add in a little bit more oil. We need to fry our eggs now. Now we'll add in 5 beaten eggs. Just pour everything in. Stir them up a little bit. When the eggs have almost set, we'll add in our rice. I'm adding in cooked rice. The cooked rice is derived from 306 grams of uncooked rice, which is basically from 2 cups of rice. The cups are actually those that comes with your rice cooker. Mix them up well. You can chop up the eggs if you want to, like what I'm doing right now. Now we need to reheat up the rice and make it drier so that it will taste much better. Right, just mix them up really, really well. Now we'll add in our veg. I'll be adding in 220 grams of cabbage, cut into small pieces like this. You can use any vegetables you want, just cut them into smaller pieces. Mix them up well also. We need to soften the veg. This will add some crunch to your rice. And of course the natural sweetness from the vegetables will enhance the flavor too. We just need to fry this until the vegetables are slightly softer. Make sure that if you see any lumps of rice, just press it down a little bit just to separate them out. Once the vegetables have softened, we'll add in our seasoning. Add in 2 tablespoons of light soya sauce. And also add in 2 tablespoons of oyster sauce. Mix them up well. You can turn up the heat now to medium-high. The reason why I'm turning this to medium-high is because I want to create that little bit of smokiness, but of course keep stirring it. We don't want to burn this. And we want to get rid of as much moisture as possible from the rice. Because the seasoning that we used are all liquid, I can start to smell the beautiful fragrance that's coming out. Feeling hungry right now. Now we'll add in 2 tablespoons of dark soya sauce. Same thing, mix them up well. Now we'll add in our luncheon meat. Add in your luncheon meat now. Mix it up also. This is so beautiful. Add in a good amount of pepper. Pepper is very important for fried rice. I'm using white pepper here. Final step, we'll add in a big bunch of chopped spring onion. Put them in, turn off the heat, and mix them up well. Okay, time to have our lunch. And now the dish is done, let's have a taste. Oh, smells really good. This reminds me of grandma. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Subscription is free. Thank you and see you again. Mm.